Welcome to Macedon Ranges. This is the world famous Honor Avenue, but we went a few weeks late. So what we expected versus what we saw, all the leaves have fallen down. So we went to the nearby park, played some badminton, had some lunch and enjoyed the nature. Such beautiful fall colors. There are tons of places to visit in Macedon Ranges. It's a short 1-hour drive from the west of Melbourne. The best time to visit is during the autumn festival, which usually happens in the month of April. What fun to play with the leaves. We had so much fun. Hope you like this video. Thanks for watching.